We are now going to be performing the supine cervical flexion and extension drill, or think of it as like almost a cat-cow for your neck. This is a simple, low-load way to explore your neck mobility while minimizing compensations from the thoracic spine, your shoulders, and it's a really nice way to gain some more control of your neck and help your posture and alleviate a whole lot of tension that can build up in this region. What we're gonna need is either a foam roller, a yoga block, or something that we could put in the middle of the back. You can leave it long ways, or you can leave it short ways, whatever's most comfortable for you. And that's gonna land right in the center of your shoulder blades. From here, I wanna keep my knees bent, my feet flat, and I'm gonna take my body, just specifically my neck, through flexion, which is my chin coming towards my chest, and extension, which is my head dropping back for the ground behind me. Now, to get used to this feeling, it's rather important that we don't push into pinching type discomfort, which would be most common as I'm dropping my head for the floor behind me. If we are noticing that there is a pinching sensation, and I'll give an example, let's say I feel a pinching sensation right now, I would want to come right back up into flexion and always avoid that pinch and pause right before it and then come directly back up. But similar to our segmenting, we want to just explore comfortably at first for about 3 to 5 reps. And then we're gonna start really slowing it down and being a whole lot more methodical with how we're addressing our neck. We wanna create a little more tension in our body by pushing our arms down towards the wall in that direction over there towards my feet. And then that'll stabilize my shoulders. I'm going to tuck my chin for as long as I physically can as I drop my head backwards and breathe. And slowly release my chin and allow full cervical extension. Then as I come back up, I'm going to slowly start tucking my chin towards my chest and lifting my head up towards the ceiling, all while still maintaining that pressure of my shoulder blades down towards the ground and reaching my hands away from my ears. And that right there would be 1 repetition. We're going to be performing this drill for 3 to 5 reps, slow and controlled, and avoiding the pinching sensations. When it comes to isolating the cervical spine, it's rather important that we move incredibly slow and respect the potential pathologies that do live in there. So move slow, move confidently, and as you get more used to this drill, you'll start to notice that this drill is starting to open up a whole lot more range of motion and alleviate a lot of tension that tends to live in the upper cervical and upper trap region.